today we got the Argoflex 75. It's beautiful. It's an Argus. It's a beautiful camera, 75mm, made in the USA. Quite dirty, but lovely. So lovely. Such a lovely piece. Ah yes, it has a knob here. And yep, it turns a little bit this way and a little bit that way. Today we have this. You looking? And here it is. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful view. Wonderful. Completely wonderful. Look at this magnificent article. I love it. It's just the best. Isn't it? Give it a little dusting. Let's clean it up a bit. There we go. Let's give it a little rub down Beautiful. This is nice. This is really lovely. Wow. Really use some of the old mouth wind. Get the Argoflex 75 rolling. Look at this beautiful equipment. Oh, what a lovely piece. The Argoflex 75 by Argus. Look at this. Oh, lovely. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this string. It's pretty dusty. Look at this going here. Wow. Some more of the old mouth wind. Get that going. Look at this. Wow. Look at this magnificent thing. Let's take a look down in there. How about that? Wow. Very dirty. We'll get to that. We'll get to that on the Argoflex 75. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Argoflex 75. Be right back. Tips of the cube. Gotta have some of these. Tricks of the trade they are. Not really tricks. But boy are they nice. Alright. Now let's take a look at this. Wow. Beautiful. A bit of water here. Run this down right in here. We will get this Argoflex looking nice. We will do some work on this Argoflex. brushes. And I didn't expect to clean this today. So let's go do a little bit. Come in and lost our towel, but we will use our shirt. Which is nicer because of less lint. Beautiful Argoflex. Oh, we're not going to attack. Not with the shirt. We'll get the towel. A little bit of this off camera just because we are set up in a unique position. And we will show you a bit of what this handheld attention. See what we have. Just a quick rub down, mind you. Hope you guys like the music in the background. I made it just for this video. We will get this Argoflex right into this camera. We will let you see this beautiful Argoflex 75. How about that? It's nice. Original string. Yeah, it's a bit dusty. But it's all there. Doesn't look like we did much, but we know that we did in our hearts. So there you go. The Argoflex 75. We don't have any film, we don't have many specs, but we do know that it is very eye-catching. It's beautiful. Catches my eye. And I love it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Here's the Argoflex 75 by Argus. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to have a longer video of next. Ooh, what's that?